logging into your account, it's extracting all of your contacts and pulling them into ad2action's user session. Now, that's important. We don't save any of this data. It's not being stored. It's not being captured. It's a single user session. Once you select your messages and you hit send, the session ends and there's no more communication. Nothing stored on the server. So it's a very safe way. You see a lot of sites starting to do communications. You'll see a lot of blog sites that says post this into your Facebook account. You log into Facebook and it automatically posts it. We're using similar technologies. The only difference is this is not posting it on the wall. This is actually delivering this message into their inbox on Facebook, or into their inbox on LinkedIn, or into their inbox in MySpace, or into their inbox in Gmail. And it's using their mail protocols to accomplish that. So it's very, very, very cool system. So now your ad's done, you pushed it out. What do? You kick back and you want to just see what happens. And you do that by watching the campaign analytics. So you jump down to campaign analytics and it's going to open up an analytics screen. Now, analytics sounds like a technical word, and it's really the web version of just saying reports. Okay, and if you want to sound very important and like you know what you're talking about, use the word analytics. Okay, so there's analytics here, or reports for some of us other people, and this shows you can actually click this drop down, select whichever campaign you want to see, and I'll pick my affiliate page here, and it will actually pull in reports based upon that specific page. And then I can see, now these reports are very cool because they're going to show me things like the last visits graph. It'll show me keywords that the person used to find my page. It'll show me things like the browsers that people used and so forth. And hopefully my internet's not dying here. Okay, it's loading up. You can see where my traffic's coming. 34 visitors from North America, 12 unknown. I have 4 visits from Asia and 2 visits from Europe. This shows you the statistics by time that somebody's hitting my page. See that there? 2 visits, 3. So I can see my volume of business, where it's coming from. And if I want to graph this out, I can click this graph button and it'll actually build a pie chart of that data. And then I can see the keywords that they use to find my site and what search engines brought the visitors in, and in the list of external websites that drew people over to me, and then the average time that somebody stayed on my site. I can see the different browsers, and I can see the frequency and loyalty of visitors, meaning that if the same person comes back multiple times, I can see who my returning visits are. I've got 9 returning visitors, 19 actions by returning visitors. The 57 minutes total spent by returning visitors on my landing page. And then I can see what times of the day that they're visiting the site. There's some really cool stats that you can start seeing how effective your ad is, because if it doesn't work, it's hard to blame it on technology, because the technology is delivering your ad, it's creating your ad campaign, all your stuff is there. So what you have to start asking, okay, how do I dial my message in? If people aren't filling out my lead form, then they're must not be interested in my message, so I need to make my message better. If they're not filling out the lead form, then I may be marketing to the wrong people. I need to start building a new list somewhere of new people to send to. So you can start evaluating how effective your campaigns are, and then tweak your campaigns. Make changes to them so that they start converting better. And that's what the analytics are for. Now let's say we have our campaign dialed in and it's sweet. It's running good. The next step is what's called our lead tracker. We can now, once the leads are coming in, we can manage those leads. And what it does, it's kind of like a Rolodex. And that's for some of you older people out there. You younger people don't even know what that word means. But what it is, it's like a Rolodex, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you can find, you can search, you can see all your leads that come in, or you can separate them based upon campaigns. So I'm going to jump down here and say affiliate page, and I'm going to hit go. This is going to show me any leads that I have generated off of my affiliate page and where those leads are coming from. Okay? And then I can call this person back and go, Camille Anderson, I need to talk with you. And then I can view details on them. I can update the lead. I can actually leave notes on it. I can update it and it'll timestamp the notes. There's even the ability to click a link and have the phone number use a soft phone like Skype to dial out. So if I jump down here and I hit this lead right here, this is my lead, and I click this phone number, it's actually going to dial that number out using Skype or a soft phone. And that may come in handy if your cell phone's dead or you can't get to a landline, but you do have internet connection. So some cool stuff there you can do in the lead manager. You can download any of the leads into a CSV file and again move them off the system. Anyhow, I'll be back